This video demonstration is going to show using Ventec SM to place a piece of 1 3/4 tube through a tab that we made earlier, showing the combination of tube and sheet metal in Ventec SM. Another feature of Ventec SM is the ability to combine your sheet metal projects with your tubing projects. For this example, we're going to use a tab that we had built earlier. We've modified it slightly by placing a 1 3/4 hole in the center of it that we're going to run a piece of tubing through. With this tab, we're going to define it and send it to assembly. Once that's complete, it will open up the assembly window. First thing we need to do is pick a few points to place our tab. Once that's complete, we can select our tab and paste it into our assembly. Next, we need to pick a few points that our tubing is going to run through. We'll want to select points that make the tube run right through the center of our 1 3/4 hole. Our first point is going to be off the center of the TriStar, and since our hole is centered on a 2-inch point, we'll place a point right in the middle of it at the 2-inch mark. Next, off that point, we will set a tube that's going to be 10 inches from the back, and off the same point again, 10 inches coming through the right. Once we do that, we can apply our straight part using our 1 3/4 OD tube. We will now use the straight part, connect the first part, the second point, and we now have our tube running through the center of our tab. We can further demonstrate this by adding color to our project. Once that's complete, using our model shade will give us a further example of what we created.